overcoming challenges in multi-site rollouts. Not so much a tip, more of a precaution, but when you do design and construction and there's multiple locations that you're performing these activities, things are going to come up. Nothing is going to be completely smooth. You're going to have a plan, and the plan's going to need to be adjusted a little bit. Being flexible and proactive can help you overcome these challenges. Be proactive, be flexible. If something happens, it doesn't go according to plan, it's not necessarily the end of the world. Surround yourself with professionals. Use a real estate professional, use a design professional, use a construction professional, use a team that this is their core business. You got into doing what you're doing because maybe you have the best taco shop or hamburger stand or retail clothing store or veterinary clinic. That's a tough word. But you got into that because that's your core business. That's what you do. When it comes to the design, construction, site selection, there's other professionals out there that do that better. Stick with your core business and you'll have success.